I got to meet up with the rest of the group at about 6 p.m. and then we went out for dinner to Spicy by Nature. I did put up a picture on my Instagram, so check that out. So now I'm gonna get myself ready because we are gonna be heading out to see the Taj Mahal at about 2 o'clock, which I'm super excited for. Oh yeah, so it's day 2 and I've already had to throw some clothes away because my bag was overpacked and it was really hurting my back. So let that be a lesson to you. Do not overpack because you have to carry it all. Oh my gosh. Also, it's cold. It's cold to the point where we're sleeping in like hoodies and stuff. It's that cold. From what I understand, it snowed up north. So because of the snow, it's bringing down like the cold air and the cold breeze down to where we are. So it's super cold, hence the cardigan and the long sleeve, because I'm not catching a cold in India. So yeah, it's cold. Anyway, as I said, see you at Taj Mahal.
So you get 3 to 5.